छाता हटा लेना।
We the people of India. We the people of India. Having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. And to secure to all its citizens. Justice. Social. Economic. Political. Liberty. Of thought. Expression. Belief. Faith. And worship. Equality. Of status and opportunity. And to promote among them all. Fraternity. Assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity. India that is Bharat. I think national anthem is called for now. Yes. Our singer, come here. He's our singer.
थोड़ा पीछे हो जा अभ्यास
We are all singing the national anthem. Start. We are here to stand with the students. We are here to stand on the side of justice. We are here to demand justice for the students. We are not here to agitate for ourselves. This is not about ourselves. This is the right of students and the duty of lawyers to stand here before the Supreme Court and demand justice for them.
मैम जो प्रियम्बल आप लोगों ने पढ़ा अभी क्या संदेश देना चाह रहे हैं पब्लिक को?
वो ही फ्रेटर्निटी का.
जस्टिस.
भारत का संविधान जब बनाया गया था
No. It is justice. The role and function of the Supreme Court of India is to dispense justice, which is why we are here in the temple of justice with our demands.
अतराफ टीवी, हर बात सच के साथ।